No, you're tired. Come on, get my rabbit. You let him out. Douche. Oh my god! Are you serious? This is epic. With the security badge. That's for rabbit.
Top flight in the world.
Go ahead, grab him. Good job, Bob.
Kick him.
Watch it. Here, give me a back. Come on, Nico.
I'm just gonna fucking drum roll in your foot with a bunch of tiny pebble turds. He lives in a fucking cage.
No, I mean, he's just running on so he's getting picked up.
Papa, you're gone in there.
How was it, Bob?
This isn't our fence.
No, it is.
Oh, is it?
Doesn't mean it's okay to break it.
Explains a lot.
That's why it's like that.
Now you don't know.
Why?
Go walk around. Jump the shepherd's fence and jump over.
That sounds like my...
I know, Roxy's like 80 years old. Come on. Stop being stupid.
Barely made it.